ኦኬ ዛሬ ኤስኤቲ ጥያቄ እናያለን ማለት ነው። ስኮላስቲክ አፕቲቲዩድ ቴስት አፕቲቲዩድ ለ12ኛ ክፍሎች የሚሆን ለሌሎች አፕቲቲዩድ ለምትወስዱ ሎጂካል ሪዝኒንግ 1 ዛሬ ጀምረናል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ በከነ ምክንያቱ this is logical reasoning, your justification, your reasoning matters. A man pointing at a photograph የሆነ ሰው ፎቶግራፍ ላይ እየጠቆመ ማለት ነው። A man pointing at a photograph says what? That man's father, the man in the photograph, that man's father is my father's son. And he says, I have no brother. So your question, the question to you, whose photograph is it? Good, let's see it together. There are characters. የሚናገረው ሰው አለ፣ ፎቶግራፉ ላይ ያለ ሰው አለ። So a man pointing at a photograph says, እዚህ ጋር ያለው ፎቶግራፍ ማለት that man's father is my father's son. And don't forget that. ይሄን እንዳትረሱ. I have no brother. So whose photograph is it? ትንሽ ማሰብ አለብን። አስባችሁ እስኪ መልሱልኝ. Is that the speaker's photograph? The speaker's himself? Is that the speaker's son? ልጁ ነው ወይስ his nephew? Nephew ማለት your brother or your sister's son ማለት ነው። የወንድማችሁ ወይም የእህታችሁ ወንዱ ልጅ ማለት ነው። ሴቷ niece ትባላለች፣ በዛው ማወቅ ስላለብን ማለት ነው። So is that grandfather? Good. ይሄንን ኔም ስጡና ኔም አድርጉ ወይም እናንተን ፋሚሊ ሜምበር አድርጋችሁ ነው ይመጣላችሁ። So what would be the answer? Whose photograph is it? Is that the speaker's himself, the speaker's photograph, the speaker's son, or his nephew or grandfather? Good. ዲስከስ አድርጉ። መልሳችሁን ኮሜንት ላይ ጻፉልኝ. Then I will let you know the correct answer. This is Moorish English.